Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, Excel gradient fill across multiple cells in Excel. Okay. Select the single cells, select all cells, or select multiple cells. Hold Control and select multiple cells. Okay. Then right click mouse, go to Format Cells, Fill Color, Fill Effect, Change Color. You select your color. Okay. Change this color, select white and select your gradient fill vertical. Also this many gradient and select horizontal, then click OK. And now see this gradient fill. Again right click mouse, go to Format Cells, Fill Effects and select this default color. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment.